Let me ask you a quick question. What if I told you that you could build a successful YouTube channel, earn money every single month, and never have to show your face on camera? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In fact, faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start one from scratch. The truth is, faceless channels are one of the best ways to grow on YouTube in 2024, especially for beginners. Why? Because they're scalable, repeatable, and can be automated using AI. You don't need a camera, you don't need to be a professional editor, and you definitely don't need to be a celebrity. With the right tools and strategy, you can create content that attracts views, grows subscribers, and earns revenue, all while staying behind the scenes. I've seen channels posting simple storytelling, tutorials, motivational content, and even trending topics without showing a single face, and they're earning thousands per month from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But here's the problem. Most people overcomplicate the process. They think they need to be an expert video editor, or they feel stuck because they don't know how to write scripts, or they spend hours trying to come up with video ideas then never post anything. I get it, I've been there too. But here's the good news. AI can now handle most of these tasks for you. Yes, I'm talking about tools that help you write scripts, generate voiceovers, create visuals, and even edit your videos without touching expensive software. Let me break it down into a simple 3-step system that anyone can follow. Script plus voiceover use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate video scripts in seconds. Then, turn them into realistic voiceovers using AI narration tools. No mic needed. Visuals, videos plus images. You can use free stock videos, animations, or even AI-generated images to match your script. Tools like Pexels, Pixabay, or AI visual tools make this super easy. Editing. Put everything together using free or low-cost editing software. Drag and drop your clips, sync them with the voiceover, add music, and boom, you've got a full video ready to upload. This process is repeatable, efficient, and perfect for creating content consistently, even if you've never made a video before. Now, here's where most creators hit a wall. They manage to create a long-form video, but then they struggle to repurpose it into shorts and reels to get more reach. Shorts are the fastest way to grow a channel in 2024, but cutting those clips manually, that takes time. Wouldn't it be amazing if AI could do that part too? Well, it can. And that's exactly what I want to show you next. A tool that takes your long-form content and automatically turns it into viral short videos with just a few clicks. Let me introduce you to NexusClips and show you how it can level up your faceless channel game instantly. It's called NexusClips, and it's built for creators just like you. Whether you're making tutorials, gaming videos, storytelling, or motivational content, NexusClips uses AI to automatically turn your long-form videos into short, high-performing clips, the kind that go viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Here's how it works. Upload your video, YouTube, stream, podcast, anything. The AI scans it and finds the best moments. You get short, punchy clips ready to post, all with zero editing needed. No more scrubbing through timelines or hiring editors. NexusClips does the heavy lifting so you can focus on creating and growing. And the best part, it's perfect for faceless creators because it works no matter what your niche is. Let me show you how to use it step by step and how I personally use it to speed up my content creation process. Let's jump into NexusClips and see it in action. Before moving on, let me introduce you to a tool that most streamers and content creators use, but rarely share with others. This tool can accomplish in less than 5 minutes what might otherwise take you hours. It's called NexusClips. This AI-powered tool helps you automatically convert long-form content into high-quality short videos with ease. If you scroll a little, you'll see some examples of videos that explain how this tool works with most types of content. For instance, it supports talking videos, gaming, podcasts, events, tutorials, and more, like my channel. This AI tool identifies the best moments from your video, allowing you to easily generate short clips. It includes features like automatic subtitle generation and customization options for stickers you may want to add to your videos. Additionally, it helps you craft hooks to attract new audiences to watch the full video. For example, if you're a streamer and spend all night live streaming, you might not have time to create short videos to publish on other platforms. The solution is NexusClip. After signing up with your Gmail account, this interface appears here and you'll find 2 options on the home page: video to clips or edit a clip by uploading it. For example, you can simply choose your video file or paste the URL of your Twitch clip to start editing. As a content creator, I prefer the first option, video to clips. If you're new to this AI tool, you'll first need to connect your YouTube channel or Twitch account to the platform. This step allows the tool to extract videos directly from your account. Once connected, you'll see all the videos uploaded to your channel, both private and public. After completing this setup, you can select the video you want to extract the best clips from. Simply click on it to proceed to the editing step and start converting those moments into short videos. Next, this screen appears, allowing you to write what you want from your video based on your niche. For example, I might write, "I need a clip that talks about how YouTube paid me," as an example. Then click on Generate Moments. We'll wait a little while the AI generates the best moments from the video, presenting them with ratings so you can choose the most suitable one. Before moving on to the editing step, if you have any problems with this site or need more information, you can join their community on Discord. They have over 2,400 members ready to help. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a notification like this. Then, return to your video and click on it. Boom! You'll see the moments generated, each with a rating and a simple title explaining what the clip is about. The number of moments generated depends on the duration of the video. If the video is longer, there will be more moments. If you don't like the suggested moments, you can generate new ones or use the Create Clip button at the top to manually create your clip by cutting a specific moment from your original video. After this step, we proceed with Edit Clip, and this interface appears. As you can see, it focuses on framing. Using these options, you can select the style per scene. For example, 16:9 videos, triple irregular formats, or other styles. For podcasts, there are various layouts available. In this case, we'll go with the upper face cam style. We choose the part of the video we want to edit. For example, cutting the segment that contains a face cam, and position it in the upper part of the frame. Next, we select the second section to clarify what I'm doing and explaining. As you see, I'm trying to place it beneath the facecam video for better organization and presentation. After modifying the scene, we move to the subtitles option. Here, I select English because my video is in English, but you can choose any language that matches your video's language. Then, click Generate Subtitles and wait for them to appear. Once the subtitles are generated, you can change their style and text font. For my video, I'll customize them by changing the background color to yellow. After that, I adjust the placement and size of the captions, ensuring they're easy for viewers to read. Next, we proceed to the stickers feature. Here you can add various stickers such as a logo or the name of your channel. For example, I'll use a sticker with my channel name to personalize the video further. Next, we go to the hook option. Here, you can add a hook to grab the viewer's attention at the beginning of the video. For example, I'll write, "How much YouTube paid me," and position it in a spot where all viewers can easily see it. After that, I adjust the timing for the hook and the sticker to appear within the first 3 seconds of the video. Once everything is finalized, simply click Share. This button allows you to download your video or publish it directly on your TikTok page or YouTube channel. So guys, I invite you to try NexusClips. You'll find the link in the description.